So now we are going to screen sharing.
काय नाही.
बोलू नका, आपले माइक आणि व्हिडिओ ऑफ करून टाका, म्यूट करून टाका. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ yesterday we have seen this problem in which one solid was given. This is a square prism. Many of you have solved also the problem given to you, but the number of students solving this thing is very less. Unless you try on your own, the things will keep becoming difficult only. Okay, so be sure to do whatever has been told on that day only. Okay, त्याच्या दिवशीच ते कंप्लीट करत चला, म्हणजे तुम्हाला कन्फ्युजन नाही राहणार. So here we have seen this is the rod. Okay, last time we have seen this problem. This is the horizontal rod. Okay, it may appear inclined, but if you look at it from front, then it is perfectly horizontal. Then the name of this rod or line is 1 1. याचं नाव आहे 1 1. Then here this point on the left hand side we call as P1, and the point on the right hand side we call as Q1. Okay, so बोलू नका, कोणीतरी बोलते पहा, म्यूट करा. म्यूट ऑल करतो मी. ओके, कोणाच तरी आवाज येतोय अजून. ओके, सो हियर दिस इज द थिंग. Last time we have seen this thing. Okay, so this is a solid in which 4 colors are there for 4 faces, and for top face yet another color is there. This is the rod or line you can think of. If a line is there whose name is 1 1, this line or the solid which is horizontal is to be drawn first on the side view, because it looks like a dot in the side view. साइड व्ह्यू मध्ये एक डॉट दिसते, तर साइड व्ह्यू नी सुरू करायचं. मागच्या वेळी आपण बघितलेलं आहे, काही लोक ॲब्सेंट असतील त्यांच्यासाठी थोडक्यात 5 मिनिटात रिपीट करू आपण. So this is the front view and top view. This is the horizontal plane, and this is the solid which is standing on HP. If you look at it from front, you will see like this, because this is put such that the base edges are equally inclined to the VP. असं प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये दिलेलं आहे, त्याच्यामुळे आपण असं काढलेलं आहे. Then one line is there. This line is intersecting this thing. या लाईन याच्यामध्ये असं इंटरसेक्ट केलेलं आहे. ओके, म्हणजे थोडक्यात एक रॉड घेऊन याच्यामध्ये घुसवल्यासारखं. And the names of the points are like this. This edge is AA, BB, CC, DD, like that. Then the horizontal names we are always giving as 1 1 2 2, like that. So here this is the 1 1 edge, where this 1 1 edge meets the solid we call as the point P1, and on the right hand side we call as Q1. म्हणजे जर आपण साइड व्ह्यू जर बघितलं तर इन दी साइड व्ह्यू वी विल सी दॅट द पॉइंट 1 P1 Q1 and 1 again another, all will be at the same point. So to draw this thing in the 2D drawings, first we draw the top view of this square prism first, then we project the front view, then by drawing line inclined at 45 degrees and so we draw the side view. In the front view the names are A, B, B, like that, A dash, A dash, B dash, B dash, D dash, D dash, like that. In the side view double dash is given. Okay, so we have discussed about this thing. Then this is the rod. This rod is shown by a point here. The position of this thing is also given. Okay, in problem it will be given to you. Once the position is given, you draw it first here. म्हणजे जे हॉरिझॉन्टल सॉलिड असते ते पहिले आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, साइड व्ह्यू मध्ये काढायचं. व्हर्टिकल सॉलिड आहे ते टॉप व्ह्यू ने सुरू करायचं. Okay, vertical solid is to be started with top view, then front view, then side view, whereas the horizontal solid or the interpenetrating solid is to be first drawn on the side view, then it should be projected to the top view first. Okay, after drawing this thing in top view, you will come to know that here this point is the point 1, this point is again point number 1 point I think, and हा जो point आहे this P1 and Q1 is easily visible in the top view मध्ये ही आपल्याला ठळक दिसू शकते हे. तर P1 point Q1 point कोणता आहे का हा point आहे जिथं हा where this horizontal is touching the vertical solid. Okay, horizontal solid is the vertical solid ला touch होते, that point we call as P1. On the right hand side similar point we call as Q1. आपण हेच कन्व्हेन्शन वापरणार आहोत ज्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला प्रत्येक वेळेला लेफ्ट साइडला ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड P and P1 P2 like that the numbers will be there, and here the names will be Q1 Q2 like that. So here this being a straight line, only P1 and Q1 are visible. So first mark these P1 Q1 here, then we talked about that day why this portion of the line becomes dotted, that because here this rod is visible in top view from this point to this point. So this is the P1 point, from this point to this point it is invisible, and again it is appearing. So here this portion we have drawn dotted in the top view. Similarly in the front view the point P1 will be visible, Q1 will be visible. The portion between P1 and Q1 of the rod will not be visible. म्हणजे हे रॉड आपल्याला इथून इथपर्यंत दिसते, इथून इथपर्यंत डॉटेड, इथून इथपर्यंत परत कंटिन्यूअस. So here let us draw the thing in the 2D views. In the 2D views you will see that this P1 is to be projected upwards and horizontal projection is to be taken from the side view. Then here this is the P1 dash point, by taking the projection Q1 dash point. The portion of this line between these two points P1 and Q1 is marked dotted. Okay, so this is marked dotted, this projection I will remove. This portion is marked dotted, whereas this portion and this portion are continuous one. Okay, so this much things we have already seen in the last theory class. Now we are going to go one step ahead. So last time we saw a solid was a square prism and it was penetrated by a horizontal straight line. म्हणजे that solid was such that it was having only one dimension, it was not having any thickness, it was having only length. Now we are going one step further and we are going to remove this line. Okay, and instead of that thing we are going to put one plane through this thing. Okay, plane म्हणजे एक कागद आहे, okay, or sheet आहे. The sheet we are inserting like this rod only. So I am removing this rod, okay, and putting this plane. असा तिथे एक रॉड प्लेन टाकलेला आहे. ओके, तर हे कागद आहे, थोडक्यात जाड कागद ह्याच्यामध्ये असा टाकलेला, खूप असलेला आहे. ओके, and this can be removed also or it can be inserted also. That means this horizontal one is complete, intact. हे एक लक्षात घ्यायचं आपल्याला, the horizontal is always penetrating, it is intact. Okay, it doesn't have hole. The vertical one is always having hole. ह्या vertical जो आहे त्याला छिद्र पाडून हे penetrate करून जाते असं आपण समजायचं आहे. Then here the names of the points are given. You can see this point is the point P1. Okay, because this point is 1, this point is 1. या दोन्हीचे नाव काय 1 1 आहे. तसंच हे खालचे जे आहेत त्याचे नाव आहे 2 2 असे त्याचे नाव आहे. ओके, so these are the names. This is 1 1, this is 2 2. Okay, so where this 1 1 edge is meeting the vertical solid, that we call as the point P1 on left side, Q1 on right side. Okay, म्हणजे राईट साइड वर जर आपण इकडे गेलो तर आपल्याला इथं Q1 नाव लिहावं लागेल, लिहिलेलं दिसत नाही आहे पण इथं काढावं लागेल. So this Q1 name will be given. Where it should be given? At this point. Okay, या पॉइंटला Q1 नाव द्यावं लागेल. Okay, similarly on this side it is P2, on this side it is Q2. Okay, is it clear now? हे एवढं क्लिअर आहे का? एवढं मला जरा सांगा बरं, अनम्यूट करून एक दोघांनी.
हो सर.
ओके, जर नसलं क्लिअर तर आत्ताच विचारा, कारण आपल्याला ह्याच्यात थोडंसं आणखी पुढे गेलं की काय होणार आहे. वेन वी गो फॉर ए प्रॉब्लेम्स ऑफ सॉलिड्स in which length, width and height will be there. So in first step we saw one solid in which it was having only one dimension, length. Now this is the second we are having in which it has got two dimensions. Okay, negligible thickness आहे याची आणि length, some length is there and some width is there. एवढा असा आपल्याला solid काढायचा आहे. Now let us draw this solid in the our 2D view. Okay, so I am going back to 2D view. Okay, and removing this thing, हे जे आहे ते मी काढून टाकतोय आता. Okay, and I am replacing it with a piece of paper. Okay, so this is these points. Okay, instead of having this rod, this time what is there? This is a plate. Okay, and how it will look like in side view? Let us try to visualize. ह्याला जर इकडून बघितलं, साइड व्ह्यू मधून बघितलं तर काय दिसेल आपल्याला, सांगा बरं. हे जी फळी आहे,
लाइन,
वर्टिकल लाइन, right,
vertical line this is.
right, it will look like a vertical line. So I'll switch it to this view and you can see that this is the vertical line. Okay, vertical line that always we are going to draw first in the side view. So here I am drawing this vertical line. Okay, and for this thing I am using red color. Okay, redच वापरावाच काही नाही, but so from here to, let us say, okay, अशा प्रकारची लाईन काढलेली. Okay, this is the line. Now this line I am taking the projection for this thing. This projection has come and I will take the projection here, and whatever is the length of this line I should mark. Okay, so this is the projection. On this projection I will mark the length of the line. Okay, त्याची जी काही लेंथ असेल तेवढं आपल्याला इथं मार्क करून टाकायला. Okay, for understanding I will remove this thing. Okay, and I will bring it here. Okay, so this is that plate in the top view. Top view मध्ये ही plate कशी दिसते आपण एकदा इथे जाऊन बघून घेऊ. Okay, so if you switch to top view, it looks like this, and we have drawn similar thing. Okay, याच्यामध्ये जर visualize जर करता आला आपल्याला तर ह्या गोष्टी, all these things are very easy. Okay, so I'll try to make line here. Okay, बरोबर सेंटरला आणतो. This line also I will a bit. Now let us draw the front view. Okay, just upon last time we have discussed that first we have to draw it in side view, then in the top view, then in the front view. Okay, to draw this thing in the front view I will take the projections from this point. या इथून projection घेऊन जायचं आहे मला. So I am taking the projection from this point and taking the projection upwards like this, and taking the projection from this point also. Okay, इथपर्यंत projection घेऊन जायचं आहे मला. So this way that projection I have taken. Then I am drawing that line. Okay, ही जी line काढायची आहे, that line I will draw from this point to this point. This is the upper line we have drawn. Okay, हे जे ह्याच्यातलं होतं in this thing, it was, this is the 1-1 line we have drawn. Now let us draw the 2-2 line. Okay, 2-2 line is, let us say, 30 millimeter or some distance away. Okay, so I mark this line. Okay, by taking the projection again I am drawing this line. Up to this point. Okay, then I am making it dark. Okay, for simplicity I will remove this projection. Actually you should not, but you can see that this some portion of this thing doesn't appear. एवढा portion आपल्याला काढून टाकावा लागेल, because in this 3D view we have seen that the portion in the front view Okay, this portion of the line is not visible, so it should be drawn dotted line. Okay, and this portion also should be drawn by dotted line. So I'll go back here and I will take the projection for this point P1, okay, and Q1, P2 and Q2. okay, इथं P1 Q1 नाव दिलं, इथं P दोन नाव येतील बरोबर आहे का, P1 then कोणता येईल हे इथं P2. Here this will be point Q1 and Q2. okay, असे दोन नाव. And here this point will be P2, this point will be Q2. okay, and the portion between these things should be made dotted. So I will make it dotted. okay, actually visible portion will be like this. हे portion जे आहे ते एवढा असा visible portion राहील. okay, if you consider the visible portion only, this much will be the visible portion. okay, त्याच्यातही dotted आपल्याला this portion we have to mark dotted, that we are going to consider shortly. Then from here to here I will have to draw the hidden line. okay, so from this point to this point I am drawing hidden line, and from this point to this point hidden line. okay, एवढं लक्षात आलं असेल. okay, काही अडचण असेल तर विचारा. so these things, all these I will make red just for simplicity, otherwise there is no meaning in making it colorful. okay, समजायसाठी थोडंसं केलेलं आहे त्याला. okay, this portion of the line should be made again dotted. okay, हा जो आहे इथून इतका पोर्शन जो आहे तो आपल्याला डॉटेड काढायचा आहे. okay, असं येईल. so if this much is clear, then let us talk about this edge AA edge जी आहे. let us talk about this edge in the 3D view. in this 3D view, if you see this AA edge which is from here to here, part of that line edge will not be visible. okay, part of this line will not be visible. try to understand. हे जर मी असं टिल्ट केलं तर ही जी काही प्लेट होती त्या प्लेटच्या मागचा AA चा पोर्शन, that portion of this line is invisible. so this portion of this AA line should be made dotted, and this portion of the which line, this line is CC, should be made dotted. लक्षात येते? समजलं का? सांगा जरा कोणीतरी अनम्यूट करून. बरोबर आहे का?
हो सर.
बरोबर आहे. कारण ही जी लाईन आहे हे इथून इथपर्यंत दिसते, मग पुढे समोर काय आले, त्याची समोर ती फळी आलेली आहे किंवा ते काय कागद जो आहे तो प्लेन, त्याच्यामुळे तेवढा पोर्शन ह्या लाईनचा डॉटेड काढायचा, फोडून नाही टाकायचा. ओके, इट इज नॉट रिमूव्ड. सो इफ यू ट्राय टू टिल्ट इट, यू विल सी दॅट दिस इज नॉट ॲट ऑल रिमूव्ड. हे कट केलेलं नाही आहे ही लाईन पूर्ण. दिस ए लाईन इज कम्प्लिटली इंटॅक्ट, but some portion is invisible. okay, this appears at this stage much simpler to understand, but if you try to go in depth of this thing, so many points will be there which are going to be drawn like this only. असंच आपल्याला सगळ्या लाईन काढायच्या आहेत. so I am drawing this line, this portion of the line from here to here dotted. okay, then I am removing this portion of the line on this side. okay, because of which this CC will be, some portion of this CC line will be dotted. हे एवढं आपल्याला. तर आज आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, आज आपलं हे क्लास झाल्यानंतर एवढे दोन प्रॉब्लेम, काही बऱ्याच लोकांनी, 10-1 मुलांनी कालचा प्रॉब्लेम काढून बघितलेला आहे. ओके, इथं समजताना फार सोपं वाटतंय सगळं, काढायला बसले की काही नाही काही चुकते. दॅट इज वाय I would ask you to do this exercise at home positively, but if you do not do, I won't scold you. okay, तुम्हाला काही मी रागवणार नाही, परंतु it will be beneficial if you draw it today only, because how these points P1 and P2, Q1 and Q2 are to be taken, from where the projection is to be taken, which portion of the line is to be marked dotted, all these things will be you should understand clearly. If you do not understand and carry on, then if you go for the further solid, that is, if you want to draw this a problem in which instead of plane a prism is there which is penetrating this vertical prism, then there will be how many points? For example, another square prism is there which is penetrating this vertical prism. ओके, समजते मी काय म्हणतोय? आता ह्याच्या आधी आपण बघितलं एक प्रॉब्लेम, एक रॉड लावला. हा, येस, बोला
सर. प्रॉब्लेम ड्रॉ करून गुगल क्लासवरून अपलोड करायचे का?
हा, गुगल क्लासवर अपलोड करा किंवा माझ्या व्हॉट्सअपवर
गुगल
पाठवलं.
क्लासरूम अपलोड करायचं.
हा, गुगल क्लासरूम मध्ये अपलोड केलं तर जास्त बरं. गुगल क्लासरूमला जॉईन करा, अपलोड करा आणि अपलोड केलंय म्हणून मला एक व्हॉट्सअपवर मेसेज करून टाका आपला रोल नंबर आणि अपलोड केले म्हणून. ओके, because when you go for problem in which more number of points will be there, for example in the first problem we saw only 2 points were there, P1 and Q1, because it was a line असल्यामुळे काय झालं, 1 1 लाईनचा इंटरसेक्शन P1 and Q1, only 2 were there. So here this is the plane intersect झालं तेव्हा काय व्हायला लागलंय, this P1 and P2, Q1 and Q2. Okay, so there are 4 points now, instead of 2 points there are 4 points now. Okay, likewise if you consider a square prism which is penetrating this vertical square prism, vertical square prism ला horizontal square prism penetrate करू लागले. If you consider that thing, then you will find that there will be 4 points, okay, on left side, 4 on right side, like P1, P2, P3, P4 on left side, and Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 will be on the right side. Then how to mark these points, it should be clear to you. Okay, and the procedure for marking the points is very same. Okay, very simple and perfectly same as that of the first problem. Okay, in which we learned how to mark the point P1, Q1 when one only line was there. Okay, so all the edges are to be considered as if they are single lines. Okay, so let us go for the next problem. But before we go for the next problem in which a square prism is penetrating the vertical square prism, let us have one version of the problem in which this vertical plane, okay, this vertical plane is on your side of the axis. थोडं लक्षात घ्या मी काय बोलतो. ह्याचा ऍक्सिस जे असेल, ह्या vertical axis of this vertical square prism, if you see this thing in side view, okay, I will tilt it to side view. The vertical square axis of this thing, vertical solid, is this. Okay, हा axis है, and this plane, okay, this plane is towards the observer. Okay, हा plane जो आहे तो कुठे आहे, towards the observer आहे, म्हणजे आपल्या बाजूला आहे, it is on our side. Okay, so in the side view you will see it is on the right side. Okay, that means if it is on the right side, it is towards the observer, because the observer is standing on this side. So observer is standing on this side. Now what we are going to do, we are going to see if what happens if this is behind. Okay, so instead of this plane being on the left side, म्हणजे हे जो प्लेन आहे हा याच्या समोरच्या बाजूला, राईट, instead of right side it is on this side. Okay, म्हणजे behind आहे. So if you see this thing, if you are standing here and watching it, then this plane is on your side. बरोबर आहे की नाही, प्लेन जे आहे ते आपल्या बाजूला आहे. हा जर प्लेन असं, this plane if it is behind the axis, so I am moving this axis now, this plane now, so this plane I am moving. Okay, and let us say that it has gone some distance like this. Okay, काय फरक केलाय आता या वेळेला आपण, if you see this thing in side view, you will find that ओके, इट इज लाईक दिस. फरक लक्षात येते काय केलंय आपण, समजलंय का? हे जे प्लेन होता जो सुरुवातीला आपल्या साईडला होता, ॲक्सिसच्या पुढं होता, ते आता काय केलंय, ॲक्सिसच्या मागे नेऊन टाकलं. ओके, दिस प्लेन इज शिफ्टेड बिहाइंड. नाउ इफ आय do this thing, what changes will be there in the front view, top view and side view. Okay, I will rotate it to see what has happened. म्हणजे काय झालेलं आहे, मागच्या वेळेला हे जे प्लेन होता, that plane was passing through this green face, green and violet face. This time this is passing through the rear faces, मागच्या बाजूच्या फेसेस मधून पास व्हायला लागले. ओके, so what changes will be there in the front view, top view and side view. Okay, try to tell me in the 2D diagram. आता मला पहिले सांगा, what will be change in the side view. काय करावं लागेल, ही साइड व्ह्यू सांगा. बोला, अनम्यूट करून कोणतर बोला.
लेफ्ट साइडला घ्यायला,
इकडे घ्यायला आहे, बरोबर आहे. हे जे आहे याला काय करतो मी आता, याला इकडे मागे घेऊन, बरोबर आहे का. साइड व्ह्यू मध्ये एवढा चेंज झाला, बरोबर आहे का. सो दिस चेंज we have made. I am moving this thing. Okay, याला मूव करतो थोडं अंतर, एवढं काय जे उघडं काय असेल. then you will have to take this projection here, बरोबर आहे की नाही. then you will have to take the projection here. that means this line will go somewhere here, बरोबर आहे की नाही. समजते, थोडं लक्षात घेऊ आपण. ओके, 7 मिनिट राहिलेले आहेत. So here this projection I am taking, then this projection I am taking from this point like this. Okay, and moving this, okay, like this. Okay, and moving this portion also. Actually this should be one line only. तर हे construction काढून टाकतो. Okay, so here you have to take the projection like this. Okay, so this is the second difference you have made in the side view, in the top view. In the front view there will be some change. Try to visualize काय होते बघूया आपण, आणि त्याप्रमाणे मला सांगा इथं काय फ्रंट व्ह्यू
डार्क येते, बाकी सगळं डेट येते ती,
बरोबर. So this much portion will be continuous, and from here to here this entire plane is not visible, and again it is visible, बरोबर आहे की नाही. एवढा फरक पडायला.
ओके.
ओके, कसं व्हायला लागले हे साइड व्ह्यू मध्ये, फ्रंट व्ह्यू मध्ये हे प्लेन जे आहे त्याचा एवढा पोर्शन आणि इकडला पोर्शन विजिबल व्हायला. अँड दिस P1 and P2, ओके, दिस P1 and P2 विल ऑल्सो बी इनविजिबल. ओके, P1 and P2 हे जे दोन पॉइंट कसे होते, इनविजिबल होते, बरोबर आहे की नाही. So that line joining P1 to P2 which was continuous last time, it should be made dotted, बरोबर आहे का. काय काय करायचं आहे मला, ह्या दोन लाईनी ज्या आहेत त्या मला काय करावं लागेल, डॉटेड लाईन करावं लागेल, बरोबर. देन दिस लाईन आय विल हॅव टू मेक डॉटेड. ओके, ही जी लाईन आहे ती एवढेपर्यंतच कंटिन्युअस राहील. दिस लाईन okay, so this much line will be dotted. Okay, same thing on the lower side also, खालच्या बाजूला तसंच होऊन जाईल. and this portion of the line काय होत आहे, this portion of the line visible. So this time this will be visible. Okay, this time this will be visible. If you have understood the things, then it is really very easy. Okay, तुम्ही कदाचित म्हणाल की हे सगळ्यात सोपा चॅप्टर आहे, असं सुद्धा कदाचित तुम्हाला वाटेल. ओके, so here I am making the corrections. Okay, and this line I will have to make it. Okay, okay, so this much, this these lines are not changing the position. front view मध्ये बघा हे जे लाईनी आहेत, these lines are not changing the positions. okay, front view मध्ये काहीच पोझिशन मध्ये फरक पडला नाही. in the side view there is change in position, in the top view there is change in position. in front with, though there is no change in position, some lines have become dotted, some lines have become continuous. And how to identify this thing? By completely visualizing, okay? By either completely visualizing you can draw this thing, or if you follow certain rules, then also you can draw. जर visualize नाही झालं तर आपण काही rules आपण follow करायचे. तर ते rules आपण जे आहेत ते उद्याच्या क्लासमध्ये बघणार आहोत. ओके, म्हणजे नेक्स्ट क्लासमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत. So it may happen that on Tuesday many a times the power is going off. So if that happens, then the theory class will be taken at some another time, and it will you will be given the intimation of that thing. So do not skip any classes. कुठलाच क्लास स्किप करू नका. जे काही रेकॉर्ड करतोय मी, जे काही मी तुम्हाला सांगतोय, वॉट एव्हर आय एम टेलिंग यू is being recorded and the recording will be made available to you. So because of any problem of the power or net, if you haven't attended the class, you will get the link for that class.
Sir.
Do watch this thing at least once or twice. हाँ बोला.
आजचं पण रेकॉर्डेड केलं पाठवून द्या की.
Yes, आजचं पण रेकॉर्ड केलेलं आहे, पाठवून देतो. Okay, so that you will have the recording with you. You can see it as many times as you want. Okay, so after this thing, in the next class we are going to see this solid, that is a square prism penetrating this square prism. Okay, so we are going one step further. First we penetrated a line, that is one dimensional object. Then we penetrated the two dimensional object and changed the position of this two dimensional object. Then we are going to see the next thing, that is the solid. If the cylinder is penetrating this vertical square prism, then how to solve the problem. And if the prism is penetrating, may it be triangular prism, may it be square prism, may it be pentagonal prism, or it may be cylinder, whatever it is, the procedure is same. Try to understand. जे procedure आपण line साठी बघितली होती, the same procedure is there. Okay, and how to remember which line is dotted and which line is continuous? Either you can completely visualize this thing. If you completely visualize this thing, then you are not likely to make mistake. Then if you do not understand, or if you are not able to visualize the things, then also you can draw by following certain rules. Okay, so those rules we are going to see in the due course of time. So less than 1 minute is remaining, so we shall finish up today. We are not going to continue today. Okay, on Tuesday, that is on tomorrow at 12 o'clock we shall meet again. So by then, good day.
Bye, sir.
Attendance.
Okay, bye. Attendance you will have to fill on the Google form as usual. Okay, attendance बरेच लोक कमी भरत आहेत, तर जरा लक्ष देऊन सगळेजण attendance fill करा. Okay, so good day.
Oh, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.